Imagine heading into the wilderness for a week-long expedition, an ultramarathon through the mountains, or a backcountry hike where your smartwatch isn't just a convenience. It's your navigation system, training coach, emergency companion, and lifeline. That's exactly the kind of user Garmin builds its flagship watches for. Now, a fresh leak suggests that the next generation of those legendary adventure watches may be closer than anyone expected. Hidden code discovered inside the latest version of the Garmin Connect app appears to reference the Garmin Enduro 4, along with several mysterious new device code names that many believe are linked to the long-awaited Garmin Fenix 9 family. While Garmin has remained completely silent, this leak has sparked excitement across the outdoor and fitness community, because history shows that software leaks like these often appear shortly before official product announcements. So the big question is, are we about to see Garmin's most advanced adventure smartwatch yet? And will it be worth waiting for? Let's take a closer look at everything we know, what we can reasonably expect, and why this upcoming launch could be one of the biggest wearable releases of the year. The story begins inside the Garmin Connect Android application, where developers and enthusiasts regularly examine new versions of the app to uncover hidden references to upcoming hardware. In version 5.26 of Garmin Connect, users discovered the name Enduro 4 buried within the application's code. Shortly afterward, Garmin released version 5.27, and something interesting happened. The public product name disappeared, replaced by internal code names along with several additional unidentified device references. While that might sound insignificant, this is actually a common practice among technology companies. As products move closer to launch, developers often replace public-facing names with internal identifiers while final software testing continues. These discoveries strongly suggest Garmin is actively preparing software support for multiple unreleased devices, making the possibility of a near-term announcement much more believable. If you've followed Garmin over the years, you'll know that the Fenix series has become the gold standard for premium outdoor smartwatches. Whether you're a trail runner, mountain climber, cyclist, skier, or someone who simply enjoys exploring remote places, the Fenix line has consistently offered features that few competitors can match. Multi-band GPS, offline topographic maps, advanced training metrics, exceptional battery life, rugged construction, and industry-leading navigation tools have helped Garmin dominate the premium outdoor smartwatch market. The recently released Fenix 8 already pushed the platform forward with brighter AMOLED displays, built-in speakers and microphones, dive capabilities, and improved user experience. Because of that, expectations for the Fenix 9 are naturally very high. Rather than expecting a complete redesign, it's more realistic to expect Garmin to focus on refinement. The company has never been known for changing successful designs dramatically with every generation. Instead, Garmin typically improves the internal hardware, adds smarter software features, increases efficiency, and fine-tunes the overall experience. That's likely the strategy we'll see again with the Fenix 9. A faster processor could make maps load more quickly, menus feel smoother, and workout analysis respond faster than ever before. Better power management could extend battery life without increasing the watch's size. Small improvements like these may not grab headlines, but they're exactly the kind of upgrades serious outdoor users appreciate during everyday use. One area where Garmin already has a major advantage over most smartwatch manufacturers is battery life. While many flagship smartwatches require charging every day or two, Garmin's premium outdoor watches often last several weeks, depending on usage. That's where the Enduro series has built its entire reputation. The Enduro lineup sacrifices a few luxury features in exchange for extraordinary endurance, making it one of the best options for ultramarathon runners, expedition hikers, backpackers, and endurance athletes who may spend days or even weeks away from a power outlet. The Enduro 3 already delivers exceptional battery performance, so expectations are high that the Enduro 4 could push those numbers even further through improved efficiency, optimized software, and perhaps newer solar charging technology. Battery improvements don't just mean fewer trips to the charger. They fundamentally change how you use a smartwatch. Imagine completing multi-day hikes while continuously recording GPS tracks without worrying about running out of power. Imagine participating in 100-mile ultramarathons where navigation, heart rate monitoring, altitude tracking, and health metrics continue running from start to finish without compromise. That's exactly why endurance athletes have become such loyal Garmin customers, and why the Enduro series continues to have such a dedicated following. Health tracking is another area where Garmin has steadily improved year after year. Modern Garmin watches already monitor heart rate, sleep quality, stress levels, blood oxygen saturation, respiration, recovery time, body battery energy levels, training readiness, and countless other fitness metrics. While the recent leak doesn't reveal specific health upgrades, it's reasonable to expect Garmin to continue refining these systems. Improved sensor accuracy could deliver more reliable heart rate measurements during intense exercise, while software improvements might provide deeper recovery insights, smarter training recommendations, and more personalized wellness tracking. Garmin has been investing heavily in health-focused software recently, making this one of the areas most likely to receive meaningful attention. Navigation has always been one of Garmin's greatest strengths, and many users choose Garmin specifically because of its mapping capabilities. Unlike many mainstream smartwatches that depend heavily on smartphones for navigation, Garmin's premium watches are designed to guide users through remote environments completely independently. Offline topographic maps, turn-by-turn route guidance, elevation profiles, waypoint navigation, back-to-start tracking, and highly accurate multi-band GPS have become defining features of the Fenix lineup. With the Fenix 9, we could see faster map rendering, quicker satellite acquisition, improved GPS precision in dense forests or mountain terrain, and an overall smoother navigation experience. Even modest improvements in these areas would be welcomed by outdoor enthusiasts who depend on accurate navigation far from civilization. Another interesting aspect of this leak is the appearance of multiple internal device codenames. Rather than pointing toward a single new smartwatch, these identifiers suggest Garmin could be preparing several models at once. That's consistent with the company's previous launch strategy. Historically, Garmin has offered different case sizes, premium materials such as titanium and sapphire crystal, solar charging variants, and both AMOLED and memory-in-pixel display options. If Garmin follows that same formula, buyers may once again have the flexibility to choose a model that best fits their needs, whether they prioritize lightweight comfort, maximum battery life, premium materials, or display technology. The timing of these leaks also aligns with comments made by Garmin's own leadership. Earlier this year, Garmin CEO Cliff Pemble indicated that the company expected a particularly strong second half of 2026 due to an active schedule of product launches. Although he never specifically mentioned the Fenix 9 or Enduro 4, those remarks now seem much more significant in light of these recent software discoveries. When executive guidance, software leaks, and internal product references all begin pointing in the same direction, industry observers naturally become much more confident that a launch is approaching. Of course, it's important to remember that none of this has been officially confirmed. Hidden software references are strong clues, but they don't guarantee specific launch dates, final product names, or complete feature lists. Companies sometimes delay products, change names, or cancel devices before release. That's why every rumor should be viewed with a healthy amount of caution. Until Garmin officially unveils these watches, many of the expected features remain educated speculation based on previous product generations and the company's long-term development strategy. One question many buyers are already asking is whether they should purchase the Fenix 8 today or wait for the Fenix 9. The answer depends largely on timing. If you need a premium outdoor smartwatch immediately, the Fenix 8 remains one of the most capable adventure watches available today. It already offers exceptional navigation, excellent battery life, comprehensive health tracking, rugged durability, and premium build quality. You certainly wouldn't be making a bad purchase. However, if your current watch still meets your needs and you're not in a rush, waiting could be a smart decision. Even if the Fenix 9 introduces only incremental improvements, it will likely become Garmin's new flagship, and the release could also lead to attractive discounts on the Fenix 8. The same advice applies to endurance athletes considering the Enduro lineup. If maximum battery life is your top priority, the Enduro may 4th become one of the most compelling sports watches Garmin has ever produced. Even modest improvements in efficiency, charging technology, processor performance, and health tracking could make a noticeable difference during extended adventures where reliability matters more than flashy new features. Competition in the premium smartwatch market has also become much stronger over the past few years. Apple continues expanding its outdoor capabilities with the Apple Watch Ultra lineup. Samsung has improved durability and health features in its Galaxy Watch Ultra models, while brands like Suunto, Polar, and Coros continue targeting serious athletes. Yet Garmin still holds a unique position because of its unmatched combination of battery life, navigation, sports science, and outdoor reliability. The Fenix series isn't designed to be a smartphone replacement. Instead, it's built as a professional-grade adventure companion, and that's exactly why so many hikers, climbers, runners, and explorers continue choosing Garmin over mainstream smartwatches. Overall, this latest leak is far more convincing than the average online rumor. Multiple software references inside Garmin Connect, new internal code names, ongoing application updates, and previous comments from Garmin's leadership all suggest that something significant is happening behind the scenes. While we still don't know the complete specifications, pricing, or official launch date, the evidence strongly indicates that Garmin is preparing to introduce the next generation of its flagship outdoor wearables. If the Garmin Fenix 9 and Enduro 4 deliver faster performance, even longer battery life, improved health tracking, smarter navigation, and refined software while maintaining the rugged durability that has made the Fenix name legendary, they could once again set the benchmark for premium adventure smartwatches. For outdoor enthusiasts, endurance athletes, hikers, mountaineers, cyclists, and anyone who demands absolute reliability from their wearable technology, these upcoming watches may be well worth the wait. Until Garmin makes the official announcement, all we can do is watch for more leaks. But based on everything we've seen so far, the next chapter of Garmin's adventure watch lineup appears to be just around the corner.